different route for us, but ultimately the destination is the same. We still want to make it to the quarterfinals, ultimately in the semifinals, and with the Lord's help, all the way to the finals and nail it. Right now, it looks bleak, but I know there's a light at the end of the tunnel and we're not going to give up.
Well, you know, the difficult road that Pure Foods might have to take, well, it's already there, di ba? Kasi nga, they have to win today to keep their quarterfinal hopes alive. Even if they do win today, it's not entirely in their hands. And ang ating standings, yung mga remaining games pa for the teams. Some of them have finished. This is the last game of Pure
Both
Foods.
teams?
Itong Magnolia, itong Air 21, tapos na yung mga yan. But the rest, and as we said, aside from Wellcoat, all other teams have a chance of becoming
Only
champion.
Wellcoat has been eliminated.
And si Ralimi misses a free throw. Nakakagulat yun dahil kanina swak na swak yung mga free throws niya. 10 points and 6 rebounds. Modest numbers para kay Reda
Ay,
Ralimi.
dalawang mintis itong si Reda Ralimi. Reda lang yan eh.
Oo. Diba? Kanina, pasok na pasok. Baka pagod na rin to si Ralimi. But
Sa kakaupo. Pagod sa
sa bagay, matagal nga pinaupo yan. Arboleda's jumper doesn't go. Steven Thomas, the rebound. Offensive. Arwin Santos, kabilang side naman ng court. Tres.
Ay, pumasok!
Ang galing naman nun. Ang galing naman nun. Niluwa na, pumasok pa rin. Unlike Nino Canaleda's shots na talagang niluluwa, tuluyan. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Jumper over Homer set.
That is big, dahil isa na yung lamang ng Pure Foods before that shot. 20 big points for Kirby Raimundo.
Quietly, no?
Kasi parang James Yap lang mapapansin natin eh.
Steven Thomas to Gary David. Loose ball. Peter Jun Simon once again picks it up to James Yap. Yap goes in.
Tinago yung bola eh.
Lakas din tumalong kasi nito si James Yap. You know, he can jump far aside from high. And he was able to get to the basket on the long takeoff. There's a timeout on the floor. They're clarifying if it's a 30 or a 1. Ito, 30-second timeout by Air 21, trailing by 5 all of a sudden after cutting it to 1. Pero wala, anybody's ball game. 6 and 17 remaining, and that's the thing. Pure Foods has been in charge for most of the night, but they haven't stamped, diba, their name on this game.
Right, dahil laging kabuntot lang nila itong Air 21. Naghihintay lang ng opening ika nga eh. Parang sa final turn, pagka bumuka ka, pupunta ka sa tabing balya, maaaring rin matiyan talaga Air 21.
Gary David, all the way around, passing the ball on the perimeter. Gary David 3. Grabe, no? Grabe to si Gary David. TM3 once again. And parang ang dali ng basketball eh, di ba?
26 points in the ball game for Gary David. Pinapos naman sa lundag si Kirby Raimundo. Sansutay.
Arboleda,
take the lead.
namang. Wala ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Tapikan ng bola. Arwin Santos losing it underneath Steven. Ano ba nangyari dito? The ball is being tapped all over the place. James Yap. Nowhere to go.
Mapuntahan.
Passes to Gary David. But Roger Yap, then Willie Arboleda gets it. Great action and the crowd loves it. Arboleda stop and pop from 3.
Oh! Lamang na!
Yan ang sinasabi mo kanina. This guy just didn't want to tie it
Ito
up.
po. Nanakawan pa ng snatcher. Arwin Santos.
Sayang yung play na yun. Oh, sayang yung play. And Pure Foods the other way. Let's see how they respond because the lead is now with the other team all of a sudden after such a long time. Ito lead pass to Arwind. Arwind for the lay-in. Suddenly,
Biglang pumasok sa Air 21 eh.
in the blink of an eye, 5-point deficit is now a 3-point lead para sa Air 21 Express. 97-94. Agad-agad naman tumawag ng timeout ang Pure Foods TJ Giants because what a turn of events. 5 minutes and 2 remaining in this game.